Hello, and welcome to the third course of Unity's Gameplay Programming Specialization. This course will dive into NPC design programming. A large portion of a game's gameplay comes from the logic and behavior of its non-player characters, or NPCs. From simple enemies to complex antagonists, an NPC needs to behave in a manner consistent with gameplay. Navigation and pathfinding give NPCs exciting new ways to challenge the player. Rather than simple motions, they can actively seek objectives, avoid hazards, and move about the level just as the player does. If you have not yet completed the previous course covering level design programming, we recommend that you do so before starting this one. Throughout this course, you will build upon the dual-stick survivor game and script the NPC logic and behavior. You will implement navigation and pathfinding, raycasting, and NPC spawning. Building out effective and optimized NPC behavior is essential for an effective game. So let's get started.